Hi, this is Kema Onyemaechi from Green Flag. I'm here to show you how to replace your car windscreen wipers. It is very important to check your window wipers, especially when it's beginning to screech or making a noise. First, move the window wipers away from the windscreen. Clean it with a light soap. If you check the rubbers damaged, then you know that wiper definitely needs to be replaced. And the way you replace the wiper, there are some security clips. You need to depress the clips by the side of it on this particular vehicle and the one on top of it. You need to press those simultaneously together and pull out. It is very important that you slowly put the arm back with a cloth on the windscreen until you're ready to put the new wiper back in. And the new wiper, you just replace it the other way around as you have removed it. And then try the wiper out to make sure that everything is working properly. Job done. If you have any issues or any problem, Green Flag is always happy to help.
Green Flag.